When you wake up in the morning, wouldn't it be nice to not have your car all frosted up and the windshield frosted over so you can't see out of it? In other words, would it be nice to have a remote start to clear that up before you got to your car? So, the question of the day, we know from my friend's Ed's video that the 1.5 turbo sport remote from an EX or an EXL remote does work and the remote starts the car, but will it do it on the LX Honda Accord? Hello, my name is Rick Kruger from Ayres Honda in Fort Wayne, Indiana, also known as Honda Rick, and today we are going to try to see if we can hack the Honda Accord LX 2018 or 2019 and see if we can make, see, the LX key does not have the remote start. We're going to take a key from an EXL that has the remote start and see if we can have that key work. So let's go to the parts counter right now and go get my key and see if we can make this work. So going down the little hallway here at work. See if Tom has my key for me. So, do you have a key for an EXL Accord for me?
I sure do.
All right, thanks very much.
Thank you.
So that's the original Honda key. You can see it in the wrapper. Let's go find the LX Accord and see if we can put the remote hack into work. So, like I said, I've got the LX key here. And take a car out of inventory off the lot. So I've got the LX key right here to this car. 2019 Honda Accord 1.5 liter LX. So it does have the remote, the push button start, not the remote. So we'll get this started up. Keys in the cup holder here. Alright. Drive over here to the mechanics bay. Have my master mechanic open up the door. How far in do you want it? How far in do you want me?
That's good right there.
Okay. So Derek here's got to plug the computer into the
DLC.
All right.
The data link connector.
What's it called again?
The DLC data link connector.
Gotcha. All these mechanic terms that us salespeople wouldn't know, of course. Derek's been a master tech here at Ayres for
12 years now.
12 years. So I did check the ECM unit part numbers are different on the LX, the Sport, the EXL, and the Touring. But we're about to find out if if it works. And Derek's taking the key out of the wrapping right now that I just got from parts. Yep. We're gonna see if we can hack it. Snap it in. We're good to go. So the key just has to be in the premise inside the car module, part of the key fob.
And then here's where we're going to go to the one push start system so we can register the key. And then we got to go to registration to register it. Access remotes. We're going to add it.
Just turn off the ignition. Please wait for ECU to stabilize.
And I'm going to have you hold that.
Okay. Outside.
That's the key that we're trying to program because we got to have an original key in here with no other keys.
Okay, so I'm going to move away. She's got to confirm the original key, and I've got the key with the remote start here by my thumb.
You'll have to just stand right
Okay, just be outside. So I've got the original key on the left,
there. New one.
and then he's going to take the new one. It says take a new keyless access.
Now it's registered.
This keyless access remote is now registered. Turn the ignition back off. Please wait for the ECU to stabilize again. Turn on the ignition switch. And wait. Are both the key and access and mobilizer indicator lights turned off?
And they are.
They are. Turn the ignition switch off. Wait again. Waiting's a big part of this, as you can't tell already. So turn the ignition switch on. Registration of key access system. Keyless function is registered to. This registration has been completed.
Turn it back off.
Turn it off.
I'll try starting it. So starts it.
Okay.
And now we'll check to see if it works.
All right. So it works. So Derek just locked the car.
Lock it, and then we're gonna hit the remote start.
You see the lights flash? Maybe? But The security light is on.
Let me disconnect that.
Oh yeah, he's got to disconnect the computer
I
first.
don't know if that's keeping it.
Okay, so I have this key here. I'm going to put it off to the side so nobody thinks we do it messing with that one. This is the key fob from the EXL. You lock the car. See the lights flash there. Hit the remote start. The lights flash indicating receive the signal. They will flash again indicating that it started, and it has started. So, the key fob.
All cars have remote start now.
Yay!
Not our Hondas.
So we've learned something new. So the key fob with the remote start from an EXL does and can be programmed to an Accord EXL. So you have to lock the car. So when you come up to the car's going to be locked. So you simply take the unlock button like you normally would on an LX, get in the car, and then if you push the foot on the brake, my foot's on the brake, hit the start button, that will then bring up all the electronics like normal, and you're free to take off. So once again, this is Rick Kruger from Ayres in Fort Wayne, Indiana, also known as Honda Rick. And we just hacked the Honda Accord LX with an EXL remote key. Please leave your comments down below. I'll be glad to answer all of those and get in touch with anybody that has any other questions. So again, please give me a big thumbs up for the video. I hope you liked it. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it. So once again, the hack on the Honda Accord works on the LX. My good friend Ed has done it on the Sport 1.5, and now we know it works on all cars. So again, thanks very much. Drive safe. And if anybody else has any questions, again, please leave your comments down below. And I greatly appreciate your time watching this video. Have a great day and drive safe.